Mac and cheese, chicken and sausage gumbo, steaks, fried chicken, alien deviled eggs, miso steak tacos, Texas-style chili with a pumpkin spice cinnamon rolls. These are just some of the recipes from season 1 of Culinary Chaos. And now, new year, new season, new knife. Same me. We don't mess with perfection in this kitchen, okay? This channel's for anyone who loves experimenting in the kitchen and learning new skills. Whether it's a new recipe, seasoning a cast iron skillet, or breaking down a whole chicken for the first time. Or maybe you're just here for my amazing personality and good looks. Either way, we got you covered. Whether you're a kitchen rookie or a pro like me, this show has something for everybody. So here's the plan. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, never miss an episode of season 2, or else I will marry your mom and ground you. Want to learn a recipe from season 1? Click the link here and binge watch the entire first season, and I will see you season 2, February 7th. And if I don't, I already told you what'll happen. Woo! Season 2, baby, let's go!